Crunchy on the outside and tender on the inside. This fried cauliflower recipe will make your taste bud dance with every bite. Add salt to a bowl of water and soak the cauliflower for 5 minutes. This is done to get rid of the insects and dirt from the cauliflower. We have taken one full head of cauliflower here. After 5 minutes, drain the water and collect the cauliflowers on a different bowl. Then wash them in plain water. To the cauliflower, add ginger paste, then garlic paste. Next, you have to add onion paste. Then add turmeric powder, coriander powder. Then you have to add cumin powder, chili powder, black pepper powder. Add salt according to your taste. Then add refined wheat flour aka moida or flour atta. Lastly, add rice flour aka chalir gura to make it crispy. Now it's time to add all the ingredients and well combine them. Add little bit of water in between and mix them. Make sure to massage all the spices very well with the cauliflowers. Rub each of the cauliflower separately with the spices very well. After the cauliflowers are properly massaged with the spices, they should look like this. Now it's time to deep fry them in oil. One by one, place all the cauliflowers in the oil. Take your time to fry them until they become golden brown in color. Make sure to turn the sides and stir the cauliflower so that it gets fried equally on all sides. After the cauliflowers are fried to perfection and becomes golden brown, drain the excess oil and collect the cauliflowers on a plate. Now serve and enjoy. Praying love and light your way. God bless you all. Subscribe to get more awesome vegan recipes.